I hope you all are fine. We are continuing exercise 4.1, question number 5, part 2. Here you can see 1 minus 2x as the denominator, 1 plus 2x as the denominator. So be careful about taking the LCM. One denominator is 1 minus 2x, second one is 1 plus 2x, so definitely both will be the part of LCM. Here 1 plus 2x is already in the numerator, and be careful, as you already know how to take the LCM. Whenever it's 1 minus 2x and here it's 1 plus 2x, so definitely here you have to multiply with 1 plus 2x. So definitely to make the denominators same. And when you multiply it with denominator, definitely same working will be done with the numerator. So here 1 plus 2x multiplied by 1 plus 2x will become 1 plus 2x square. Okay students, I hope you got the point. Here as well, 1 plus 2x is in the denominator, and which one is missing? Excellent. 1 minus 2 x, and you know whatever you will done with the denominator, same working will be done for the numerator. Perfect. So here you know 1 minus 2x is already there, multiplied by 1 minus 2x will become 1 minus 2x square. Now you can apply the formula a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. This minus will remain same, and definitely apply the formula over the next. 1 square minus 2ab. Here a is 2x, b is 1, but here there is a sign of minus. That means here a square minus 2ab plus b square. After that, be careful about the step. This minus is going to multiply, you will solve, and then minus multiplied by 1 will become minus 1. Minus multiplied by 4x square will become negative 4x square, and here negative negative positive. Don't do this type of silly mistakes. After cancellation, you know, plus 4x square minus 4x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 4x plus 4x. This one is not going to be cancelled, so it will become 8x, and in that denominator it will remain same. Now this one is the lowest form. Okay, moving towards the next part. You can see, be careful about the tips. Tip number 1, taking common. Tip number 2, formula. Tip number 3, middle term breaking. Here you can see in the denominator x square minus 25. That means a square minus b square. You can write 5 square, and in the denominator you can write 6 square. You will apply the formula. You can see here the denominator is only x plus 6, but here's the denominator is x plus 6, x minus 6. So in the LCM, x plus 6, x minus 6. Here both the brackets are already available, means only multiplied by 1. Means x plus 5, x minus 5 will just copied down, as you can see. Okay students, here which one is missing? Very good. X minus 6 is missing. So you already know that you have to do the same step in the numerator, x plus 5 and x minus 6. Okay students, be careful about the steps. X minus 5 is here. X minus 5 is here. No. X plus 5 is here. X plus 5 is here. Excellent. So can I take x plus 5 as a common? Yes, I can. So the remaining one is x minus 5. This minus, don't forget this minus, and then x minus 6. This minus is going to multiply. You can see in the next step, negative x positive 6. Be careful about this. And you know, cancellation. Plus x minus x. Minus 5 plus 6. Can I solve this? Yes. Minus plus minus sign of greater number means positive one. Positive 1 multiplied by this will give you same x plus 5. You can write x plus 5 over x plus 6, x minus 6, or you can write x square minus 36. Totally depends on you. Okay, moving towards the next part. Okay, be careful. Now the difficulty level got increased. One denominator is x minus y, second one is x plus y, third one is x square minus y square. I know you got the point that here there's a formula a plus b, a minus b. Be careful if there are three denominators. So can I do two uh, fractions first? I will keep the third as it is because this two after solution will become one fraction, so it will be much easier for me. So I will just solve this two bracket right now. Okay, and this will just copy it. Okay, this will remain same until and unless I will solve this. Same procedure, one denominator is x minus y, means you have to multiply it with x plus y. X plus y multiplied by this x. Be careful about this, you can see in the next step. Okay students, here the denominator is x plus y, so which one is missing? X minus y is missing, so you have to multiply with x minus y. So y multiplied by x minus y. Be careful about the step. This y is going to multiply and this minus as well. Don't forget this. It will become negative xy. You can see, and negative negative is positive. Y is square. Don't do this type of silly mistakes. You can see there's cancellation. After copying this, you can see that now it's pretty much easier for me because now the denominators are same. X square minus y square means I have to just multiply it by 1. Same working here as well. I have to just multiply it by 1. You know the steps. In the numerator, you can easily see the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. Denominator will remain same. You will apply the formula. There will be cancellation and you will got the answer. Good job. Be careful, follow the tips. Tip number 1, taking common. If there isn't any common, look for formula. If there isn't any formula, look for middle term breaking. Be careful. Here, you have to be very careful. You can see 2, negative 18 means you can take 2 as a common. Here, you know, x square plus 6x plus 9. Is this a formula? Yes. You have to be very, 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 very clever to find the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So I have done the steps as I said. You can see I will write in this way. X square negative 9. Is this a formula? Yes, because you can write 3 square in place of 9 because 3 square is 9. So I have written this. I have applied the formula a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now be careful here. X plus 3 square means x plus 3, x plus 3. Here only x plus 3 and x minus 3 and 2 is also there. Means if you take the LCM, there will be 2, there will be x plus 3, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Be careful about this. Now which one is missing to make the denominator same? Good. 2 is missing. Only 2 is missing. Very good. X minus 3 is also missing. So be careful about the step. As you multiplied in the denominator to make the denominator same, same working will be done with the numerator. This one will become 2. You can see x minus 3, yes, and x minus 2. Be careful, this one is little bit tricky. Now here 2 is present, x plus 3 is present, x minus 3 is present. So which one is missing? Yes, x plus 3 is missing because to make the denominator same, there are x plus 3, x plus 3, two brackets. Means I have to just multiply it with x plus 1. Okay, students, be careful about this. Now you can see x plus 2 will remain same and x plus 3. And then be careful, you will just solve. You know how to solve. First write x, then complete bracket x minus 2, and then minus 3 multiplied with complete bracket. Same working here. X multiplied with complete bracket x plus 2 plus 3 multiplied with complete bracket x plus 2. You will got the steps. This minus is going to multiply. Be careful. Minus x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, students, be careful about the steps. After that, if there's any cancellation, you will do the cancellation. If there's not, be careful about the like terms. 2x square minus x square, it will become positive x square. Very good. Plus minus minus, sign of greater number. Negative 10, negative 5, negative negative, positive. So it will become negative 15x. And here plus 12, negative 6 will give you positive 6. Excellent. Good job. Now you can write x plus 3, x plus 3. You can write x plus 3 square. Not a problem. Now you can see this is my answer. Okay, students. I hope you got this trickiest part. Same working here. One denominator is x minus 1. One denominator is x plus 1. So I will solve these two brackets first. And I will keep remaining as it is. If I just solve these two brackets, it will become x minus 1, x plus 1. I know this is formula a square minus b square. So I have written in the next x square minus 1. You can see, be careful about the sign. Negative x, positive 1. If there's cancellation, do the cancellation. Now I will solve these two brackets. Okay, students, in the starting you can see that there are four brackets. Means there are four denominators. So I have first solved 2, and now I know after solving 2 it will become 1. So now the remaining one is 3 fractions. So I can solve 2 and definitely I will get 1, and then in the end I can easily solve these 2 fractions. I will got the final answer. Now I will follow the same steps. Be careful about the multiplication of minus sign. Don't do this type of silly mistakes. Okay, after cancellation, oh, so lovely, the denominators are same. X to the power 4 minus 1 means, oh, in the numerator it will become 0, and you know 0 will be my answer. Okay, students, I hope you got the point. Moving towards question number 6, which is little bit easy. Same procedure, perform the indicated operation and simplify. Okay, students, you know that this is one of the identity. You can write 7 square in place of 49. So it will become x square minus 7 square. A plus b, a minus b. Oh, I can see x plus 7, x plus 7 is going to cancel. So this one is the remaining one. Okay, students, moving towards the next. In second as well, be careful. First identify, is there anything common? Yes, I can see 4 is common. There's division as well. Means if I reciprocal, it will become multiply. Be careful. Do as easy as possible to get the correct answer, because steps can be changed but answer can never be changed. Be careful about this. So be careful after taking common. You know, if there's any formula, apply the formula. Do cancellation. After cancellation, you can see x plus 3. X plus 3 is present twice in the numerator, so 1 is going to be cancelled. But again, I can see x plus 3 is also there, so I know that it's completely going to cancel. And after this one is the remaining one. Okay, now part 3 seems tricky because I can see x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6 means I have to apply the formula. I can write x square to the power 3. Yes, because 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Means I can like in this way. So I can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. Be careful, a cube minus b cube equals a minus b. Here a is x square and b is y square. So a minus b. Now a square plus ab plus b square. In the denominator, it's pretty easy to just cancel it out. After that, they have done now reciprocal. Oh, sorry, it's already in division. Now, be careful about this as well. You can do the reciprocal. If you do the reciprocal, it becomes 1 over x to the power 4 plus x square plus y to the power 4. It's completely cancelled and you will get 1 as your final answer. In next as well, here you can see a dot. This dot means multiply. Okay students, in your book you can easily see that it's a proper dot between these two fractions. Okay, so be careful taking common. If there isn't any common, look for formula. If there isn't any formula, look for middle term breaking. Okay, be careful about this. I have applied the formula, and after that if there's any cancellation, do the cancellation. Just for cancellation I have taken minus as a common. If I don't take minus as a common, it will never be cancelled out. That's why it's my smart skills that I have taken minus as a common to make the question very easy if the terms are less, because if you cut, it's going to be cancelled, so you have very few terms remaining and you can easily apply, and then whatever the remaining is will be your final answer. Okay, now again you can see there's a dot means multiply, there's a division means if you reciprocal it will become multiply. Follow the tips, taking common. Very good. Tip number 2, formula. Tip number 3, middle term breaking. Steps can be changed, but answer will not be changed. Be careful about this. Allah Hafiz. Take care.